Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience using these platforms. In this video, we're exploring two powerful tools for managing your digital life, Phantom and Exodus. Phantom.app is a cryptocurrency wallet built for the Solana blockchain, designed to make interacting with decentralized applications, DApps, seamless and secure. It offers a user-friendly interface for managing your Solana-based assets and engaging with the vibrant Solana ecosystem. Exodus, www.exodus.com, on the other hand, provides a multi-cryptocurrency wallet solution, supporting a wide range of digital assets beyond just Solana. Exodus emphasizes security and ease of use, offering a clean, intuitive interface for managing your diverse crypto portfolio across different blockchains. Both Phantom and Exodus are valuable tools in the crypto space, but they cater to slightly different needs. Phantom focuses specifically on the Solana ecosystem, providing a specialized experience for users heavily invested in Solana-based projects. Its tight integration with Solana DApps makes it a popular choice for those actively participating in that network. Exodus, with its broader support for various cryptocurrencies, is a more versatile option for users who hold a diversified portfolio of digital assets across different blockchains. It's a great choice for managing a wider range of crypto holdings within a single, easy-to-use platform. Deciding which wallet is right for you depends on your individual needs and investment strategy. Are you primarily focused on Solana and its ecosystem? Then Phantom may be the better choice. Do you hold a more diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies across multiple blockchains? In that case, Exodus might be a more suitable option. Both platforms offer strong security features and user-friendly designs, making them excellent choices for both seasoned crypto users and newcomers alike. Be sure to do your own research and choose the wallet that best aligns with your specific requirements.